Can templates alone get you 79 in the PTE? Hell nah. Should you still use templates? Hell yeah. My name is Sonny and this is Sonny English, and in this channel I provide real tips and tricks on how to get your PTE score. And in this video, I'm going to talk about a few things you need to be aware of when you're using templates for the PTE. First, let me start off by showing you two scores that I got recently. Both of these people used my speaking and writing templates. Why are their scores drastically different? The one on the right was actually my student. She watched the tutorials, she used the templates exactly as I explained it, and based on her scores, the templates worked. Now the one on the left, she actually got my template from some moron on the internet. Yes, there are actually people selling my templates or just sharing it in chat groups, PTE chat groups. So they might have access to the templates, but you don't know if they're up to date, and for damn sure they're not going to be able to show you how to use it, so you got to be careful. Why take a risk of getting such a depressing score? All in all, what I'm saying is there are templates widely available. Some work, some don't. Some require specific instructions, such as mine. Don't just take templates off some random person in chat groups and bet your future on it. As I mentioned earlier, templates alone will not get you that 79. If you are solely relying on templates to get you that 79, you are in trouble. Instead, you should think of it this way. The templates eliminate the preparation time that you need to spend on those specific tasks, so you can apply that time to the more important tasks. That will help you get to the 79. 79 itself in writing is unattainable if the listening and the reading are not up there as well. And there are no templates for those fill in the blanks in the right from dictation. You see what I mean? Lastly, who's got the best templates? No such thing. I don't even pressure my students to use my templates. Usually if I work with somebody that's already got templates, I will ask them, which one do you think is easier? Easier to use, easier to memorize. That's all it comes down to. Templates are just something that you gotta memorize. So if you feel any particular template is easier for you to use or memorize, just go with it. Now the only thing I would warn you about would be the writing templates. And this goes back to the beginning when I talked about reliable sources as well. The speaking templates, not so much, because in speaking, grammar doesn't matter. So it doesn't matter if you're speaking and you're making grammar mistakes. But for writing, I have seen some shitty templates. This person must have just written everything out and then erased half of it and asked you to complete it and call it a template. But it's full of grammar mistakes. You're probably better off writing an essay by yourself than to make the mistakes that they've already made for you. You might be able to write better than they can. So this is where it comes back to the reliable resources. So I would only suggest that you get it proofread by someone that actually can write sentences without making mistakes to avoid grammar mistakes in your writing, which is not even your fault because somebody else wrote it that way and asked you to copy it. There it is. Those are the three things that I would suggest you consider when using templates for the PTE. If you thought this video was helpful, please check out my other tutorials. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.